Alright guys, it's Russell back, and we are going to ask the question, will Super Clean, we're going to be using it at full strength. This is the gallon size, and this is the bottle that I just transferred the chemical to. Will Super Clean clean a very dirty, greasy differential on this 89 Chevy K1500? Let me get under there and show you what we're going to be working with. Alright, here is the front differential, and it has got years of grease and grime on it. You can see it's even got a little bit of seepage right there. So normally, if I wanted to clean this really good, I would use brake parts cleaner. So I'm just going to let me back the camera up a little bit here, and we're just going to see what happens with the Super Clean. I'm going to get this, turn it to a spray. I can already see that it's starting to dissolve the scuzz that's on. Look at that. That's pretty good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and then we'll rinse it off. Alright, so it's been about 5 or 10 minutes, and let's see how this is soaked and dissolved. Yeah, look at that. Alright, so I'm going to go fire up the pressure washer. I'm just using a cold water pressure washer with not too much pressure, and we'll see what kind of cleanliness we get out of the Super Clean here. Alright, let's see how the Super Clean did. Wow. That is clean. So if I had a hot pressure washer, I probably could have gotten some of this staining off, but yeah, it did a very good job. I even did the back of the transmission there, had a little bit of oil leaking, but yeah, it did very, very good. Alright, so we can now answer the question, does Super Clean full strength, does Super Clean full strength work on greasy engine parts? And yes, it does. I would say be careful with aluminum, and I don't think you should probably let it sit on there more than a couple minutes. I think I was close to 5 minutes or so, but anyway. Yes, very, very good. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and stay tuned because I've got a lot more videos. We're going to clean different kind of car parts, different kind of greasy household items, and I think you guys are going to like the results. We'll find out together as I do these tests.